Today, good morning to everyone. Today we are starting about the aquifer. As you know, the crisis of water. Water crisis is a very severe crisis of water because the availability of the safe water, good water, and drinking water availability is a very big question mark on the whole world. According to that, we want to proceed regarding the information to the general peoples and the students who can aware himself and teach to other or aware to other for the saving of water. In this concern, we talk to aquifer. What is aquifer? Aquifer is a underground water which we take out from them, and aquifer is defined as the underground layer of water bearing permeable rock structures or unconsolidated material. Groundwater can be extracted using a water well. The study of water flow in aquifer and the characterization of aquifer is called hydrology. Number one, types of aquifer. Confining layer, geologic unit with the little or intrinsic permeability. Aquifuge, absolutely permeable unit that will not transfer water. Aquitard, a layer of low permeability that can store groundwater and transmit it slowly from one aquifer to another. Unconfined and confined aquifer. An aquifer without or with the confining layer on the top. Leaky confined aquifer. A confined aquifer with an aquitard as one of its boundaries. Perhead aquifer, a layer of saturated water that forms due to accumulation above an impermeable lens. In case of aquifer, as we are discussing, there is a permeability, word permeability, which is guiding to aquifer, and aquifer is classified according to permeability. Permeability means the permeability is the word which is allowed to infiltrate, pass of the water through the porous media. If the permeability is less permeable soil, then conductivity less and the storage or the passage of water quantity is less. In that case, aquifer yield less water. If the conductivity more, then aquifer can yield more water. The aquifer defined according to the permeability. If permeability low, the characteristics of the aquifer is the main part, which is the depends on the permeability. Permeability in case of water, when the saturated the soil surface, soil in which the layer, if layer is saturated, saturated means full, the voids filled from the water, fully filled. In case of fully filled, then the water can be flow through the permeability due to its conductivity character. If permeability is poor, poor means particle size is less, small, and in that conditions, pore spaces will be less, and the water absorbing capacity will be less. So, if water absorbing capacity is less, then yield by the aquifer will be less. So, important role of the permeability is the case of yield. Aquifer, confined aquifer and unconfined aquifer. Unconfined aquifers are those into which water seeps from the ground surface directly above the aquifer. Confined aquifer are those aquifer in which the permeable drift or rocks layer exists that prevent water from the seeping into the aquifer from the ground surface located directly above. It is the figure you can imagine how the unconfined aquifer work. Types of aquifer. Aquifer may be classified unconfined and confined aquifer depending on the presence of absence of water table. An unconfined aquifer is a one in which the water table elevation is the same as the upper surface of the zone of the saturation. It is also known as free or non-artesian aquifer. Unconfined aquifer is also known as artesian aquifer, non-artesian aquifer. The water table varies in form and in shape, in slope, depending on rate of recharge and discharge. Pumpage from well, pumpage from wells and permeability rises and falls in the water table elevation, corresponding to change in volume of water storage within an aquifer. The depth of aquifer, water table, and permeability of materials is in the saturated zone above an unconfined aquifer are important factors in determination how rapidly the aquifer can become contaminated. Unconfined aquifer, confined aquifer. Confined aquifer, also known as a artesian aquifer. Confined aquifer occur where ground water is subjected to pressure greater than atmospheric pressure because it is confined by overlying relatively impermeable strata. Not all artesian wells are flowing wells. A flowing well is an artesian well that is subjected to sufficient pressure to cause the water to flow at the ground surface. In the This condition, as we discussed here, the confined aquifer is pressure aquifer, and unconfined aquifer is a unpressured aquifer. In case of artesian well or artesian aquifer or confined aquifer, which water flows automatically to the ground surface. Uh, Inflow from the groundwater to the ground surface is a main important factor is the potentiometric surface. The potentiometric surface of a confined aquifer is an imaginary surface coinciding with the hydrostatic pressure of the water in the aquifer. This is the all about the aquifer. Again, we will discuss regarding the properties of aquifer. Still, thank you.